Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Not too much to do about Corel Draw. Over the years, I've made a couple of videos for this company, Vector and Digitizing. And last week, somebody said, "Do you still have that guy's email?" And I sent it to him. And then he sent me what he did, and I'm like, "Whoa!" So impressed. And so I asked the customer, or not a customer, if I could use it. He said he'd rather not. It was the police department. But I got him to tell us a little bit about himself. It's a team of professional graphic designers working under the name of Vector and Digitizing. They operate 24/7, and our focus is vector work, artwork, embroidery, digitizing, and custom graphics. I will leave the two links at the bottom of the video so you can email them. They're also on Facebook. So I had him. Well, first of all, before I forget, they can put your file in any format. So if you're a Corel Draw user, just ask them to put it in Corel Draw. And he sent me a bunch of samples and I'm like, whoa, let me look at that. But he did this for advertisement and so nobody could take it. And I mean, look at that. And so then I asked him for, I mean, look at that. And then look at this, handwriting. Of course, this is a picture. He didn't send me the file of that. A lot of people over the years have wanted pictures done. They start at $20. And the couple of the jobs that he's done for people, they were $20. But now so I asked him the other day to send me some real files. Here's what he started off with. There's a picture of what he did. Here's the graphic. I mean, dead on, perfect. I mean, laser engraver. Look at this crest. Look at this. I mean, perfect. Flower, butterfly. And I have, so there, look at this. A car. Look at the graphic. I mean, it's vector graphic. Okay, I want to state this. I have no ties with these people. I don't know them from Adam. The gentleman I talked to is named John, and so I have no, I'm not promoting this product. I'm just letting you know what's out there. So if you have a job and somebody sends you this church, and they go, "I want that digitized," I could maybe do it, but not this good, and it would take me hours and hours and hours. Look at that. I mean, to engrave that, let's just check a yellow box trick like I always do on everything. So anyway, I will leave, look at that. I'll leave the two links at the bottom of the video for you can contact them. There's their webpage, and might as well just email them. Email them the file. Tell them what format you want. $20. One you can very easily pass along to customers or customer, but it's not, people go, "I could trace it." No, you can't. You couldn't take that picture and turn it into that. Anyway, just to pass along the information and think that helped. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.